Hello again. Welcome to Order of Operations Part 2. These are the problems we did last time. I've cleaned the board up a little bit, right? Got rid of where I showed my work, because I'm going to be showing new work in a moment. And the new work that I'm going to show you will be in Educational Green. Educational Green. Okay. Now, to recap real quick, we always work from left to right, but we must do things in the correct order. This means, from the last video, that we do multiplication and division before we do addition and subtraction. So moving left to right, multiplication and division first, then addition and subtraction, moving from left to right. Okay. That's the basics of it. Now I'm going to change things up. Now I'm going to add some parentheses. Parentheses. Please observe. Parentheses. Now it wouldn't seem that 4 curves would change the problems much, but in fact they've changed them significantly, because in the order of operations you always do what's in parentheses before you do what's not in parentheses. So by putting the parentheses in here, I've changed the order. The order for all 4 of them are different now, which means I should get 4 completely different answers than what's in red. Let's see how this works. I have to do what's in parentheses first. If the parentheses weren't there, I would do 37 minus 25 first. But they're there. I have to do 25 plus 18. No, excuse me, not 18, 8. 25 plus 8. I don't know where 18 came from. That was weird. Anyways, I digress. 25 plus 8 is 33. Now I have 37 minus 33. 37 minus 33 equals 4. That's a difference, right? Difference of 16, right? Down here, before the parentheses, I did 12 times 20 first. The parentheses changed that. Now I have to do 20 divided by 5 first. 20 divided by 5 is 4. Yeah, 4. 12 times 4, oh, I ended up with the same answer. That wasn't supposed to happen. Should have done my problems first. Oh well. In that case, I will amend myself just slightly. The parentheses changed the order I did things, but in this case they didn't change the answer. That happens sometimes, especially when your teacher's not paying attention. Down here, I have to do 13 plus 20 first. Before we did this one first, right? We did 20 times 7. Not anymore. 13 plus 20, last time I checked, was 33. Pretty sure it's still 33. 33 times 7. 7 times 3 is 21. Carry my 2. 7 times 3 is still 21. Plus 2 is 23. My answer has changed. The addition of the parentheses makes a difference this time, not like this one that I messed up. Down here, I have to do this first, not the 70 divided by 5. 75 minus 70 is 5. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Again, a significant difference in the final result of the problem. So, to sum up, order of operations, you always do parentheses first. So, parentheses. Then, let me start that over again. Pretend I didn't just say that. You always work from left to right, doing parentheses first, then multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction, always from left to right. If you keep those steps in mind, the problems that we're working on in class during these introductory days of order of operations should work out pretty easy. In the next video that I'm going to do, part 3 for order of operations, I'll show you a more complicated problem and a way to help ensure that your work is staying neat, orderly, and legible.